Now we have Antonio, who's a cashier in a store, and he sells Caribbean products such as ginger syrup, ackee, which is a type of fruit, and dasheen, I don't know, also known as taro, which is a root vegetable. Here's his time card for 1 week, at any rate. So he's worked from 9 to 11:45 and 12:45 to 3, etc. We want to know how many hours he works. So we're going to figure out how many hours in total. Well, from 9 to 11:45, 9 to 11 would be 2 hours. 45 is 3/4 of an hour, so that would be 2.75 plus, and then he came back at 12:45. Let's go from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock would be 2 hours, and then an extra 15 minutes because he worked from 12:45 to 1 o'clock. I don't know where that went. 2.75 from 12:45 to 1 o'clock would be 15 minutes plus the 2 hours, so 2.25. And let's think about his money. We have 75 cents plus the 25 cents, that's $1. We've got $4 there, or you can put it into your calculator, and that's 5 hours in total. Another way you could look at this is you could say he worked from 9 to 3, but he took an hour off in between. So from 9 to 3, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 is 6 hours. He was off for an hour for lunch, so it was 5 hours. So there's a few different ways you can calculate these. So at any rate, we got 8:45 to 10:45, that's 2 hours. From 2 to 5:30, well, from 2 till 5 would be 3. 30 is half, that's 2.5 hours. So that's 4.5 hours. Remember, don't forget to change your minutes to hours. So this isn't 0.3, this is 30 out of 60, so that's 0.5. So 9 to 12, that's 3 hours. 1 to 4, that's 3 hours. So he worked for 6 hours. 9:30, well, from 9:30 to 10 would be half an hour. From 10 to 12 would be 2 hours, so that's 2.5 hours. And then 11:15, well, or sorry, 1:15 to 2:15 would be 1 hour. To 3:15 would be 2 hours. And then from 3:15 to 3:45, that's half an hour. So it's 2.5. So he worked 5 hours there again. And again, 9 to 11:35. 9 to 11 is 2 hours plus the half. 12:15 to 3:15, well, it's 15 to 15, so it's an even number of hours. 12, 1, 2, 3, that's 3 hours. So that's 5.5 hours, and then we just add these up. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 15 hours with those 3. There's another 10 hours, that's 25, and 26 hours. So he worked 26 hours. And of course, you could throw it into your calculator and figure that out as well. And then he earns $15.85 per hour. So how much did he earn that week? Well, $15.85 per hour. So for 1 hour equals how much for 26 hours? And again, if you want to skip the proportion on this one, you're like, I just know that's 26 times 15.85. That's totally fine. You don't need to set up a proportion. That might help you. So 26 times 15.85, it means he will earn $412.10 that week.